everybody, this is Tarul Rani and today we will look card number 13, which is the death card. Yeah, sounds scary, but no. The literal meaning, once you understand, will enlighten you. We will look into the meaning of the card, the picture and the description. We will also look into number 13 and its numerological influence in your life. Later on, we will go ahead and look the alphabet M. And then in the end, we will meet my beloved auntie. Now let's look into the picture of the card and try to understand the meaning. The picture depicts a skeleton sitting on a horseback, priest offering prayer, a man lying down either dead, unconscious or injured, a younger child who is looking in amazement or curiosity. There's an older child who is looking away in fear and disgust. It's a showcase of different emotions coming together. This is how a person play in front of death. There's a sun which is rising from behind, which says that there is always light at the end of the tunnel. Overall, this card can also mean a physical death. But yes, in a larger term, it means change. It means change of a cycle, death and rebirth. This card might also indicate that how a person will react in different situations. Will he open death or difficulties or change with open arms? Will he run away in disgust and fear, or will he just sit motionless in amazement? If you're born on 13th of any month, then your birth number is number 13. 13s are real hard workers. They take responsibilities. They're people of action. Life is always presenting them with changes and challenges, and they face it very gracefully. If 13 is your number, this card, the death, will rule your life. It's all about clearing away the old and making way for the new. Your life's journey will be all about clearing off the old patterns and structures and making way for the new beginnings. You will be presented with opportunities, and whatever said and done, there will always be a fresh start. If this card is coming for a reading and the question is about relationship, the cards suggest that there will be an end to a painful relationship which is not satisfying you anymore, which is not serving your purpose. And the sun in this picture also signifies hope that once your relationship is the end, there will be a new beginning or a new place for a new relationship. If this card comes on a professional front and the question is about profession, then the card suggests that there will be new opportunity or a completion of project on your way. This card might also suggest end of an employment and beginning of a new employment. The alphabet which we are going to discuss in today's episode is alphabet M. If somebody's name starts with M, that person is very courageous, very hardworking. They make amazing and loyal friends. They are good at giving advice. They do not manipulate people, so you can trust them completely. When it comes to partnership, these people are very intense and emotional. If they get involved in a relationship, they will throw their entire being into it. Their work-wise, very good, and they bring opportunities towards them. पीपल के पेड़ के 1008 चक्कर लगाओ तारू रानी, शादी जल्दी हो जाएगी. Auntie, I always used to wonder, peepal tree is a very ordinary tree except for its shadow. Peepal tree does not have a delicious fruit. Its wood is not strong enough for any purpose. Then why do we worship peepal tree? Our ancestors knew that peepal is one of the few trees, or say the only tree, which produces oxygen even in the night. So, in order to save that tree, they related religion or God to it. Wise, huh? This was all for today's episode. Hope you have already subscribed it. If not, then do it right now. Like it and share it with your friends. Till then, I will see you next weekend. Yes, the way you put your hairs can speak a lot about your personality. Now you know why ladies spend so much money on their hair salons. And hair is very symbolic.